Asus launched a range of ROG products at CES 2019, but what really caught our attention was the ROG Mothership, the 2-in-1 laptop that brings a Surface Pro-like form factor for gamers. Let's take a closer look. The Mothership's aluminum chassis frames a 144Hz 3 microsecond G-Sync display powered by the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics and Intel Core i9 processor. The ROG Mothership also comes with a hyperdrive extreme storage that has a RAID 0 array with 3 NVMe SSDs. The machine also has up to 64GB of DDR4 RAM. On the connectivity front, the new model has USB Type-C based Thunderbolt 3 port, standard USB Type-C port, 4 USB Type-A ports, HDMI, Ethernet, and an SD card slot. The Mothership's aluminum chassis frames a 144Hz 3 millisecond G-Sync display powered by the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics and Intel Core i9 processor. What makes the Asus ROG Mothership closer to the Surface Pro is its kickstand. However, the former has the ability to pop out the stepless kickstand automatically when the bottom edge of the chassis touches the surface to allow one-handed deployment. The hinge available on the machine is also touted to provide a range of angles for different setups. It has a detachable keyboard with a folding design that dramatically reduces the system's overall footprint. Asus hasn't revealed the price details of the new ROG series models. Nevertheless, the new models with NVIDIA GeForce RTX series graphics are set to arrive in the global markets in the coming months. Thanks for watching. For all things tech and the latest in CES news, log on to gadgets360.com.